Of course, we all know that's born and brought up in India, but this science is applicable all over the world because this science is made by the Creator who created us and who created anything outside of our body. So in one sentence, this Ayurveda is the science of like a maintenance manual. Whenever any scientist or any researcher is creating big machine, very more sophisticated machine, like a rocket or satellite, these engineers are making, they have to make a very sophisticated, very powerful and very accurate manual, maintenance manual, troubleshooting manual. This is one of those 100% accurate, 100% true, 100% eternally true maintenance manual. No if and but. That is Ayurveda. And now you can ask that how old is Ayurveda? Ayurveda is eternal. Because this science, the creator of the universe, creator of us, created before he created us, before he created human being. That's why it's a perfect. It's not a man-made knowledge, it is God-made knowledge. No matter what name you call, God is God. Names are different, but the God is God. The creator of universe has created this science, so it is beyond date. It is eternal. It is going to be forever in this planet. This is the history of Ayurveda. Whenever somebody is writing the Ayurveda is 5,000 years old, that's not right. This is the maintenance manual. What is the definition of Ayurveda? I'm not going to chant like use Sanskrit Sutra today because I know a lot of you don't know what language Ayurveda has been written. So language is also very eternal, old language called Sanskrit. Definition says that what is Ayurveda? Says Ayurveda is which is telling us what is good for us, what is bad for us, what is medicine for us, what is poison for us. In terms of diet, in terms of lifestyle, in terms of anything and everything related to our life. Anything or everything and everything related to our life, seasonal changes, what kind of clothing you should do, what kind of shampoo you should use, what kind of spiritual practice you should do, what to eat at night, what to eat in the evening, what to drink, what not to drink. Anything related to our life. This is not just the science of the pills and tablets and spices. No. Anything, everything related to our life, what is good, what is bad, what is worst, and what is medicine. When we talk about food, you can write a whole 5,000 page book just on food. When we talk about exercise, at least 200 pages you can write just for exercise. Breathing, 500 pages. Because, let me tell you something about my life. I born in a family where we were taking care of the, this science since at least 5,000 years. Means the Purana, the scripture says that our family came from outside of India to treat Lord Krishna's son Sambh. So that's why we say, because we have the history since then documented in the scriptures. That's why we are saying that, I can't say that, it's lack of accuracy that from where we came, documenting that back is not possible. That's why I say at least in India we are since 5,000 years. So what happens in my family, whenever anybody is getting birth, any baby, they check the horoscope and they find out who is going to be the healer of the family. So somehow God helped me to be having that kind of horoscope. And after high school, I had to go to Ayurvedic college straight, and I graduated from Ayurvedic college when I was just 16 and a half years old. I thought I know everything. In that age, when you have a license, the piece of paper used, and and the degree, the highest degree of the state, I thought that I know the Ayurveda, the contemporary Ayurveda, which is in India. But my father told I was ready to go out to practice and call myself doctor. All the Ayurvedic physicians wants to call themselves doctor. I don't know why, but But I don't want to call myself doctor because I'm a Vaidya. Vaidya means, I don't know. I'm still learning to become a Vaidya, means who knows everything, anything. I'm trying to be, but at least I'm. So basically, what happened after that, 7 years I had to study with my father. 7 years, 6 days a week, and his routine was very bad, and diet was horrible, very bad diet. In my family, we don't eat onion and garlic and nightshades, no potato, no tomato. So I have done 16 and a half years when I was doing my high school. And then when I was in college, I was eating everything because nobody was there to watch me, and I was kind of rebellious. Why I should not enjoy these, potato fries and pakoras, onion bhajiyas and everything. I knew that this 7 years is going to be so horrible. He will not allow me to touch onion or garlic or these nightshades and garbanzo beans and all those things. So, and his routine was very bad too. Go to bed 8:30 and wake up 4:30. In that age, these two things you don't want to do. Don't eat that without onion and garlic, and don't want to go. But it was very nice. The 7 years. Initially 2-3 months I was hesitating, but after that I enjoyed, and then I knew the depth of this science, real depth, how deep it is. Because as you know, this body is a very sophisticated machine. If you call it machine, more sophisticated than any satellite or any rocket. And if this body is more sophisticated than a machine, I'm coming to the point, than rocket, why we are feeding diesel in our body? No? In your car, you have three kind of, if I have only 1.5 hours, I have to cover all the points, so I'm going right to the point. Because this sophisticated machine, you can say, even rocket cannot run without somebody has to control that. We are in our own control. We have only one control, remote control from the nature, that's for sure. But when we eat bad food,